In 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, and say, very good! Okay, Team A at Team B, this time, harap kayo kila mommies, daddies, or guardians, okay? Dahil nakijoin sila sa atin kanina, bibigyan natin sila ng 5 claps or 5 palakpak at sasabihin natin sa kanila ng malakas na thank you habang naka-thumbs up. Ready? 5 claps in 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and say, thank you! Yay! Okay, this time, harap po kayo sa likod kasi papalit na tayo sa aming event area. Okay? Team A, Team B, this time, papalit tayo sa aming event area. Tapos po, isinisigaw niyo pa rin ang pangalan ng inyong mga team. Okay? Ready? Team A, Team B, go! Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B, louder is louder! Very good! Okay, kids, this time kahit wag na po kayong pumila. Pero dapat po yung maliliit ay nasa unahan at yung malalaki naman po ay nasa likuran. Alam niyo ba kids na si Lala Chan ay meron siyang favorite dance. Kaya samahan natin siyang sayawin ito, okay? Ready? Hands up, taas ang dalawang kamay. And slowly down. Very good. When you jump, kids, jump. March. Clap. Down. March again, kids. Clap. Jump. March. Clap. Down. Bend your knees po. Appear this one here. Wave to the right. Wave to the left. Shoulder. Back. And drop. Sway. Make a circle. A big circle. Swing like a fish. March. And jump. Sway the head. This time of computer naman daw life not a job. Point to the right. And point to the left. Bend your knees. Love yourself. And turn around. Jump. March. Up. Down. March again, kids. Up, jump, and down. Bend your knees po. And pause. Yay! Ang kagaling. Okay, kids. Hands up. Taas ang dalawang kamay. Touch your hand. Shoulder, hand, shoulder, knees, toes, and sit down. Sit down muna kayong kids kasi nandito na ang treasure box ni Lala Chan. Kung saan maglalagay ang prizes or giveaways ni Lala Chan para sa inyo. Pero bago na mag-open, magkakount muna tayo mula 3 hanggang 1. Let's count louder. Ready? In 3. Surprise! Okay. Pag nakakuha na po kayo ng balloon kids, sit down po ulit kayo kasi magkakaroon tayo ng group 4. 1 balloon, 1 kid. Okay, sit down kids, sit down. Lahat po meron na? Opo. Sit down po ulit tayo, kids. Yung makati po sa likod, sit down po. Listen, kids, may ituturo ako sa inyo, okay? Kapag sinabi ni Ate na Kizuna, you will all shout, hooray! Okay? Practice tayo, kids. Ready? In 3, 2, tayo. Ready? Practice ulit tayo, kids. In 3, 2, 1. Kizuna! Very good! One more pa, kids. Pero hindi na to practice. Sa mga mommies, daddies, and guardians, pwede po kayo pumarty sa gitna para po ma-concert nyo ng mas maayos at mas maganda ang inyong mga kids. Ready? Show your best smile. In 3, 2, 1. Kizuna! Very good! Okay, kids, alam niyo ba na si Lala Chan ay mahilig siya sa birthday party? Kaya may tanong kami ni Lala Chan sa inyo, kids. Gusto niyo po ba mag-birthday dito sa Kizuna? Opo! Paano ba yan, mommies, daddies, and guardians? Gusto na kaya mag-birthday dito sa Kizuna? Well, want to know more because here at Kizuna, we have more birthday packages you can choose from. And also, our Kizuna app is now available. Just download the app on Google or Apple App Store. And for more inquiry, please don't hesitate to ask with our friendly Kizuna partners. Okay, kids, may binubulong po sila na dyan. Okay, sige na lang yan. Tatanong ko yan sa kanila. Kids, may binubulong sila na dyan. Nag-enjoy daw po ba kayo sa game? Opo, pero alam niyo po ba, mas nag-enjoy kami kasi nakalaro namin kayo. Pero this time, it's time to say, bye Lala Chan! Okay, kids, pwede na po kayo bumalik sa inyong paglalaro. Maraming salamat po at nag-enjoy kayo sa amin today. Yung mga gusto po ng one-on-one picture together with Lala Chan, dito na lang po kayo sa harap ng Air Track Early. Once again, we are the Kizuna Galleria Sound Event Team saying thank you and enjoy your stay here at Kizuna!
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Magkano ba yung change mo? 500.
Dali mo siya dun sa jump. Pogs, punta kayo dun sa jump po. Pogs, sama ka Pogs. Cairo. Ayun oh. Cairo. Cairo, look oh. Cairo. Cairo.